Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for flowing into Art Flow. Today we are back with another video, and I'm here with my oldest daughter, Felicity. We are going to be drawing something for Memorial Day, which is around the corner. And Felicity, can you tell our viewers what Memorial Day is?
It's about men and women who died in the army.
Yeah, men and women who lost their lives serving our country. So today we're going to honor them, and we're going to draw a heart flag. And while we're drawing, we're just going to think about those who have lost loved ones or friends fighting for our country. You ready to get started?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's get flowing.
Woo, woo, woo.
Okay, let's get drawing. So today we're going to draw a heart that looks like a flag. And drawing a heart is kind of difficult for me because drawing both sides that look equal is kind of hard. Okay, so we're going to draw one side of a heart like this, big heart like that. So draw one side like that, big old heart. Okay, and we're going to draw the other side. So let's see if I can draw the other side but the same size.
I think I made mine way too skinny.
That's okay. You want to draw and you don't want to start over?
Yeah.
Okay, so Felicity redrew hers. She wanted hers a little bit bigger because the first one was skinny. So we're just going to keep this one right here and work with that one. Okay, so we're going to draw a line down the middle halfway like that. Okay, and then we're going to go to the right all the way over.
This one's a really, really short one and a really, really easy too.
And then we're going to go to the left all the way over.
So what's this part?
All the way over. Okay, so now we're going to draw our stripes, okay? So we're just going to draw lines across. I'm just going to draw kind of big stripes here. It's going to have like 4 stripes. So just draw lines across there. I don't have to draw really skinny. I drew mine kind of big because
1, 4 stripes.
well, yours is probably going to be more. So maybe draw, yeah, you may just need one more line. And there you go. So now the hard part for me is the stars. And I am bad at drawing stars. So I'm going to draw my stars like how I know how to draw stars. Okay?
Like
so,
an A.
yep.
Yeah.
You do an A like that, down, go up like that, over and down. And let's go and go up.
Yeah, I know.
And Felicity has a different way of drawing her stars. Or if you know how to draw stars like without drawing it like that, then you can draw like that. Yeah, she's drawing hers. She's drawing hers the way that I can't draw it. Well, I don't like the way mine turns out.
Yeah, mine either.
It still looks like a star. Okay, good. So I'm just going to draw another. I'm probably going to draw like 5 or 6. I'm just going to draw another one there. You can just draw some stars.
You're drawing 5 or 6? I'm drawing 6.
Yeah, I'm probably going to draw. Mine's probably going to be end up being like 7. Maybe another one down here. So I think
That's a perfect star.
That's a perfect star. I have 8 stars. Oh, beautiful, voracious eyes, for an amazing ring. Okay, so Felicity drew stars like how I can't draw it, and she drew some stars like mine. And I'm just going to give my heart like a little tail, like it's flying like a balloon, because I just like that. And then draw some ribbons on it, just like that. You don't have to if you don't want to. That's just what I want to do. And just draw some triangles, just like that. And just draw triangles on them, just like for a ribbon. And she's drawing hearts.
And one more.
Okay, and I just realized that I forgot something. What did I forget? I forgot to draw stripes down here.
Uh-oh.
So we're just gonna go over and draw some lines and finish our stripes.
I can name lots of people that were in the army.
Okay, you don't have to draw them too skinny, but you can draw them like you want to. Your dad was in the Air Force, but he was a soldier.
And my grandpa.
And Grandpa was in the Army. All right, so I guess we can bring this heart flag to life. What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's get the coloring.
Seven are white and 6 are red. 6 are red. 6 are red. 7 are white and 6 are white. There's 13 stripes on the flag.
Oh, okay, that's a cool song. Well, our heart flag does not have 13 stripes and 50 stars, but it still looks good. I think we did a great job. And I think this is great to honor the fallen veterans or the fallen soldiers on Memorial Day. Okay, you guys, that is it for our video. Thank you for drawing with us today. If you enjoyed this video or any of our other videos, please subscribe to our channel. We know that this time of year is a hard time for lots of people, and they're thinking about their fallen family members, friends, all the fallen soldiers. So we want you to know that our family is praying for you and we're thinking about you. Before we go, we want you to always remember to
love your neighbor.
That's right. Bye.
Oh,
beautiful.
Full spacious skies.